In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Dave & Buster's gift card balance. Let's start by opening your internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar. Here, you'll type in Dave & Buster's. This step is crucial because it ensures you reach the official website, avoiding any potential scams or incorrect sites. Once you've searched for Dave & Buster's, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the official Dave & Buster's website, which should be one of the top results. It typically has a URL like daveandbusters.com. Click on this link to open the site. At this point, you're ensuring that you're on the official page, which is important for your security and to make sure you're getting accurate information. With the website open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, move your cursor to the top navigation bar. Look for the section labeled Power Up. Hover over it. This might display a drop-down menu depending on the design of the site. Hovering over this area brings you to the next step in accessing your gift card information. Now, in the drop-down menu under Power Up, you should see an option for gift cards. Click on it. This section of the website is dedicated to everything related to gift cards, so it's the right place to find what you need. After clicking on gift cards, look for a button or link that says Check Your Balance. This is typically easy to find, often highlighted to catch your eye. Click on it. At this point, you are just a few steps away from getting your gift card balance. Now you will be prompted to enter your gift card details. You should have your gift card handy. Enter the gift card number in the appropriate field. It's usually a long series of numbers found on the back of your card. Then you'll also need to enter the security code. This code is often located near the gift card number and might be covered by a scratch-off material. Entering accurate information here is key because even a small mistake can lead to errors in retrieving your balance. Once you've entered both the gift card number and the security code, look for a button labeled Submit or something similar. Click on it. This action will process your request, and you should soon see your gift card balance displayed on the screen. This final step confirms your balance, ensuring you have the correct amount before planning your next visit to Dave & Buster's. Remember, checking your balance regularly helps you manage your spending effectively. And there you have it. You now know how to check your Dave & Buster's gift card balance. This process is straightforward but essential for keeping track of your gift card funds. If you ever encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Dave & Buster's customer service for assistance. Thank you for watching and enjoy your time at Dave & Buster's.